Okay, it's dinner time. And this is an example of what I like to eat for dinner. Tonight I've got some zucchini spiralized spaghetti noodles here. I've got some raw marinara over here. I've got green leaf and red leaf lettuce. This is loaded with lettuce. That one's all set for me, and the rest is my wife, and we'll have some left over. Or I mean, we'll have enough for seconds because we will finish all this, you know. But that's an example of what I like to eat in the evening. And I like to eat early. It's only 4:30 right now, and we're going to chow down in about 10 minutes. And I just wanted to show you what I've got here. All right. In that marinara, I've got tomatoes. I've got Roma tomatoes and some other like Campari type tomatoes. And I've got a tablespoon of lemon juice, green onions, some garlic powder, some fresh basil. I've got 2 stalks of celery in there. It gives it that salty taste, which is nice, but there's no salt. I mean, yeah, it's sodium, true, but it's not the type of sodium that dehydrates you. And I've got 3 dates in there. And did I say a tablespoon of lemon juice? Yes. And I've got a little fat in there, you know, maybe a little more than a little more, but it's for my wife and me. It's half an avocado and a tablespoon of raw tahini. Now, the only thing I'm missing, I wish I had a red pepper. I didn't have a red pepper, and it makes the marinara more of a reddish color, and it's pleasing when you have that red marinara. So anyway, that's my example. That's the kind of dinner I like. Leafy greens, get those minerals in. Remember, fruits are the highest in vitamins of any other food on the planet. But leafy greens and vegetables are the highest in minerals, and you need both. So please give this video a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Any questions or comments, post them below. Fruit up, baby.